Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So I am so excited for today's video because a ton, and when I say a ton of you guys have the exact same body type as I do, and you guys have all commented in my previous best jeans for size 6 to 8 or 28 to 29 video. That video that I did, a ton of you guys commented that you have the same body type. You're so glad you found someone with the same body type, someone who's a little bit curvier for a Korean American female, and it's just really nice. It's really nice to know that there's a lot of us who struggle to find really great pairs of jeans because that's honestly all I wear. I love my jeans. I think I have a solid like 20 to 25 pairs of jeans, including shorts. And I feel like my collection of jeans is growing. I love jeans so much. So I rounded up my favorite white jeans in the size 6 to 8 / 28 to 29 size. So I'm going to go through them and share with you which ones are my favorite. I'm going to demo them and try them on. They're only 3 pairs. So it's not going to be as many because actually I've been planning this video for months and I've been looking online on websites for a really long time, for like the last couple of months actually, trying to round up jeans for this video. But honestly, I couldn't wait any longer. I felt like these are the top 3 that I think I don't need anymore after this. These are like all 3 of the styles that I'm looking for. So hopefully this is helpful to any one of you guys. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I'm gonna be doing a huge giveaway at 50,000 subscribers. So we're more than halfway there. I know that we can totally do it. 50,000 is a huge milestone for me, so I thought I would do 3 giveaway winners, first place, second place, and third place. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter and all those places. But without further ado, let's just get started. Let's start off with the most affordable, then to most expensive, and even after the most expensive, they're still under $60, which I think is a steal. So these ones here are by Boohoo. Now I featured this in a winter Boohoo try-on haul for you guys, and even in the title I said like found the best white jeans because these are honestly so cute on. A lot of you guys actually purchased the blue color of this. I had said like, oh my goodness, if I only found these jeans in white, I would like love it. And then they had it in white, and I'm really glad I found them. I mixed it with some dark stuff in the wash, so there are a little bit of stains, but I'm not worried about that because it's nothing a little bleach can't fix. I got this in a size 8, same as the ones I got in the blue color as well. These are the high-rise mom jeans, I want to say, and I love the fit of them. They're so comfortable. They go up really high, so it's really nice to wear with more cropped shirts or sweaters that you have. And I always wear nude seamless underwear. I wear the True & Co. Seamless Hipster, I think that's what they're called, but that's what I'm wearing in this video. And I always wear like nude underwear that are seamless when I'm wearing like jeans like this. They fit around my waist really well. I think I could eat like a whole pizza and I would still be okay because they fit really good around my waist. The next pair of jeans are definitely one of my favorite jeans out of my entire jean collection. These ones here are by American Eagle. They're just a button fly detail. They've got a wide leg at the ankle right here and a raw hem. Initially, it kind of looked like this with the raw hem, but over time, it started to look like this. The distress is so beautiful, so natural looking, and the color is kind of like an off-white ivory cream. It's not exactly like white. I personally always look for jeans with a button fly detail. These ones here I got for $36, which just blows my mind because they remind me of the Reformation faucet jeans, and I've seen girls like Mariana Hewitt wearing them. Like, they're expensive jeans, and I think one day, maybe down the line, I'll get myself to purchase them. But honestly, I don't think I'll need to because these actually have really good stretch to them, and they're not really stiff. They're really soft and amazing, and honestly, like, they're just really comfortable. I got mine in a size 6, just for reference. I did order it in an 8 as well, but it was too big. And you can order it in a short, regular, and long, which is amazing. So I got mine in just the regular. I think if I were to purchase this again, I might get the short, just because as you guys can see in the cutaway, it is a little bit long, but if you want to go for that super cropped like culotte look, then I would go for a short. I would go for a short leg cut. I am 5'3", so I think that's just good to note for reference. But these are super comfortable, and I've always felt like American Eagle has really good jeans, just really comfortable, easy to wear. So let's move on to the last pair of jeans. And these jeans, if you've been following me since like forever, and you would know my love for Levi's, and that's the only place I really shop for amazing quality denim. And even in thrift stores, I only buy Levi's to cut up into shorts. But I finally found the Levi's wedgie fit straight cut jeans in the white color. And these, you guys, you have no, like, when I tell you I've been on the hunt for these for the last like year, it literally feels crazy that I finally have them in my hands. I know I sound so dramatic, but I feel like I now have completed my like denim collection finally with these jeans in my hands. So this is in a size 6, and I actually saved the sticker here. So this is what the sticker looks like. It says wedgie fit straight. It says size 6, size 28, length 26. So they are a little bit shorter, as you can see in the cutaways, but this says right here, wedgie straight, high rise, snug through hip and thigh. I bought mine from Amazon actually, and I am so glad that I found it there because they were a lot more affordable than I thought they would be. Normally the wedgie fit runs like $98 or something like that, which I would be willing to pay, but I found them on there for like $54 or $60 or something, just like right under $60 after tax. And again, wedgie straight, all white, button fly detail, which I love. It's got kind of like the rose gold buttons on the side, just completely straight, raw hem again. And once I throw these in the wash and dryer and stuff, they're gonna distress to look a lot more like this, which I've done with all of my other jeans. So yeah, this is the last pair. As you can see, I'm doing squats. Like, they're so stretchy and they're really comfortable. I think I could wear these on a flight, like a short flight, honestly, and they're just really comfortable. I couldn't recommend these enough to you guys if you have the same body type as I do. But those are actually all the jeans that I have to show you guys today. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to share it with any of your friends who maybe has the same size as we do, then make sure you do that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter to see these jeans styled. Before I go, I just wanted to let you know where like all of my stuff comes from. So this top here is by Pretty Little Thing. These rings here are by Devaha Studio in a Korean boutique, and then the other rings, these ones here, are from Shop CY, and you can get 15% off your order with the code in my seams. My earrings are from Majory, and these ones I will leave a link to down below in the description box. But that's everything that I have to share with you guys today. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I want to hit 50,000 subscribers very soon. But yeah, that's everything I have to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys later. Bye!